Every day I see a business owners asking, how do I get more sales? Wrong question. The better question is, why are people not buying from you? Because sales are never an accident. Sales are the result of a system, a predictable formula. And today I am going to share you the exact formula that every successful company follows, whether it's a 50 lakh business or a 5,000 crore company. Hi, I am Vinay Lakhotia. Welcome to LDOS, Lead to Deal Operating System. Most entrepreneurs think business growth is complicated. It's not. Business is actually very simple. The challenge is that most business owners focus on the wrong part of the equation. They focus on sales. Smart business focus on system. They create sales. That's why we are going to create everything. Now let me share you the biggest business mistake. Imagine you own a factory. Every morning you produce 1000 products but no one buys them. What's the problem? The factory? No. The machine works perfectly. The real problem is nobody knows those products exist. Now imagine another company. They don't manufacture better products. They don't have a lower prices. But every week customers keep calling them. Distributors keep contacting them. How is it possible? Because they have already built a system, not just a product. That's the difference between companies that survive and companies that dominate. System matters. Write it down. I am giving you the complete formula of LDOS, business formula. At LDOS, we simplify business into one equation. Write it down. Of course, I am giving you all the equations, but step by step. So the first is attention. Nobody buys from businesses that doesn't exist. If people never heard about you, nothing else matter. Attention come from Google, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, referral, events, PR. After all this, the last point is word of mouth. Without attention, business doesn't begin. I'm sure this is clear. Second, trust. Attention alone doesn't create sales. Trust does. People ask themselves, can I trust this company? Can they deliver? Will they disappear after taking my money? Trust is built through review, testimonials, case studies, educational content, personal brand, website, consistency, experience. 8 points. People don't buy product, they buy confidence. Next, conversation. Once trust is built, customers start asking questions. They call, they send WhatsApp messages, they book meetings with you, they request for the quotation. This is where many businesses fail because they don't have a proper sales process. Now write it down. No follow up, no CRM, no qualifications, no script, no system. Next, conversion. Now come the sales. Most people think this is where business happens. Actually, this is just the outcome of everything. Before it, bad attention, no sale. Bad trust, no sale. Bad conversation, no sale. Now I am giving you the complete output and the last 2 points. Retention is the part when you follow all these things. Most businesses celebrate after making one sale. Smart businesses ask, how do we keep this customer for 5 years? Last, your favorite referrals जिसके साथ आप जिंदा हो. Finally, happy customers become your marketing department. Every satisfied client should create another opportunity. This is sustainable growth. But when you repeat everything, then now I am giving you a complete solution of LDOS revenue engine. Let's put it all together. Attention, trust, conversation, conversion, retention, referrals, your favorite one, and then repeat. This is not marketing. This is not sales. This is the complete revenue engine. If one part is broken, revenue slow down. Ask yourself this 6 questions. Do enough people know my business exists? Do they trust my company? Can they contact us easily? Do we follow up consistently? Do customers buy again? Customers recommend us? If your answer is no to even one, you know exactly where to improve. Now write the complete action plan for this week. This week, don't spend another rupee on advertising. Instead, draw your revenue engine. Map every stage. Where do customers enter? Where do they leave? Where do lose their trust? Where does follow-up stop? Fix the weakest stage first. That's how businesses scale. Here's what I want you to remember. Business don't grow because they advertise more. Businesses grow because they remove friction from the customer's journey. The companies that win are not the ones shouting the loudest. They are the one with the best system. At LDOS, we don't build marketing campaigns. We build revenue engines, because when the engine works, sales become predictable. In the next episode, I'll explain why even the best ads eventually stop working, and why constantly chasing the perfect ad is one of the biggest mistake business owners make. Here's the golden rule. Don't optimize your ads first. Optimize your revenue engine first.